Hey everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am so excited. I got, Happy Mail. And this one comes from Angelica, and she is Crafter Treats 2017 here on YouTube. So I'll link her down on the description below so you guys can check her out. And I do have to apologize again, Angelica. I am so sorry. So apparently I thought my mail got forwarded to my mama's address or my in-laws address, and I was surprised because I hadn't even received any junk mail, and they're pretty good at sending me whatever I received. And I was like, well, I haven't received any junk mail or anything. I've been wondering. And so I do apologize. So thank you, Angelica, and let's go ahead and open this and see what we got. So if I do apologize if anybody else has sent me anything and it's gotten returned to you. Again, yeah, confusion with hubby in here and myself. So here is her. Oops. Hopefully I didn't show anything. If not, I will try to block it out. And let me see. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open this, and let's see what we got. Okay, so if you guys have not gone over to Angelica's channel, I mean, you guys really need to go over and check her out. A little baggie. I love little baggies, you guys. Shine. And you guys, her and Maria Reyes have been doing these collabs, and oh my gosh, I'm trying to watch as much as I can, but I know they've been having so much fun with them. And oh, it's a happy birthday mail. Thank you. Oh, and I guess it must have popped in the transaction of the whole trip. So oops. But yay. So let's go ahead and see what else we got. And this is part of the inside lining. And there. Happy birthday. Oh, this is so cute. And I think this is an ATC. This is the cutest. I love it. Thank you, Angelica. Oh my gosh. And again, I'm so sorry. Aw, thank you, Angelica. So sweet of her. And you didn't have to do this at all. There's some bling right here. Awesome. And there's a facial mask. Awesome. Ooh, hibiscus. Can't wait to open it. And I think there's some jasmine tea right here, so I can't wait to try it. I will definitely try it out. And again, you guys have to go over to Angelica's channel. Check her out, you guys. She is an amazing crafter. You guys will be surprised with the items and the stuff that she makes. So again, thank you, Angelica, and I do apologize once again. I am so sorry. And thank you again for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.